Hi everyone, I recently ordered a pair of Daymaker Classic Touring Adapters and I received them in the mail today. So, here is my unboxing. Came in a nice package. And we see that the box is in pretty good shape with the exception of a couple little notches in the box, probably from poor handling on the part of the Postal Service. So let's go ahead and get this open. All right. So we've got my order information here. From Daymaker Touring in Mill Creek, Utah. Mill Creek is a suburb of Salt Lake City. There's a bunch of swag stickers that I can put on my pickup or water bottle. Looks interesting. I did set up during the order process for them to make sure that it matched my boot type and the sole length. So I've got a pair of grip walk boots that are at 318 BSL. So it looks like they're set up at the BSL 318 here, at least on this one. I'll check it over on this side. And we're also at the 318. Okay. We'll just be testing fitting the one right now, so I'll pull up my skis. I'm not a very prestigious skier, so most of my equipment is either cheap or used or both. So this side goes in the rear, and this is for the toe. So in that case, over here, looks like it's roughly lined up to fit. So, I'll try to squeeze these in here. All right, there we go. So it feels like they're really tight in there. Based on their tutorial videos, it looks like you should get these on your boots before you put them in the bindings, just because this thing doesn't allow for very much room if it's already in the binding. So we'll go ahead and see how these fit here. So these are grip walks. I think the setup, I'm going to move them forward for the grip walks. Looks like they're already in the most forward slot. So if we come in here, yeah, there's not a lot of room here, so go ahead and take these out. They're a little bit tough getting in, but I'll take them out. So the ski to the side. Let's see if these can fit in. There might be some micro adjustments that we need to do to this rear one here. So that's a little bit on the tight side. I could force it. They said that if your boot length is in between two sizes, that we can adjust just one of these hooks here. So we come up here. These are keyed a little bit, so I can just do the one there and see if one is enough to make it a little bit easier to fit in. Okay, let's come up here. Oh yeah, it's quite a bit easier. Okay, so this is in. Looks like I can get the motion that I want to here. And we can kick up these risers They just rest on the bottom of the boot. Based on some YouTube videos, they say that you can adjust the risers with your pull. I don't know how easy that will be in practice. Okay, so now that we've got it in the boot in the adapter, let's go ahead and put that in the ski. So let's set that this way. Pick up the ski and set the ski right here. Go. Looks like there's a little lateral movement in there still. Probably within manufacturing tolerance at this point. And it looks like we've got good motion here. The risers, kick one of those up. And then kick the taller riser up. So this looks like a good setup. Now that we've got them set up, I will be waiting for some snow to come in the next few weeks, and then I will post a video showing these in action and giving my first impression. Thanks for watching.